I've got a new challenge for you. It's not gonna be easy. In fact, it's something that I've never done before. Let's talk about it right now. All right, friends, as you know, every single week, I like to propose new challenges for each and every one of you. My mission in life is to enrich lives with mentally liberating education. And I do that all the time by pushing people out of their comfort zones and making them do something exciting, new, challenging that helps us grow. The challenge for this week is simple. We're gonna be vegetarian for the next 7 days. Now, the cool news is some of you already do this. I have friends who are vegan, I have friends who are already vegetarian, but me personally, at least in the last 29 years of my life, I have not been a vegetarian for more than a day. And therefore, I'm gonna do this challenge. Let's see how it is. I mean, that's simple. Vegetarian for a week, all right? I've never done it before, and if you want to do, and if you want to achieve what you've never achieved, you must do things you've never done. This just so happens to be one of those things. So, starting today, 1 week vegetarian. Let's see if we can do it together, team. It's a challenge, but it's gonna be exciting. You absolutely rock.